back to my channel, and thank you for watching this tutorial and clicking on the thumbnail. I just want to say that this is my third time filming this look. It's been quite a ride. I will have to say there was either something wrong with my camera, or I didn't like the voice quality, or the lighting wasn't good, or something or the other. Nothing wrong with the products I used, I will tell you that much, but just something wasn't sitting right. So this is my third time, and hopefully this is the version that goes up. So if you guys want to know how I created this look, this is mostly appropriate for parties. I created this look with New Year's in mind, so if you guys are going out, and if you guys want to wear some color on your eyelids, then this is the look for you. And I am going to jump into the tutorial. Oh, but before we jump into the tutorial, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any one of my future videos, and let's get started. I'm going to start off with priming my eyelids with the Smashbox 24-Hour Photo Finish Shadow Primer. The first shade I'm going in with is Sandstone, and I'm going to be applying this to my crease area as a transition. I'm going to pick up the shade Dijon, which is right here as well, and I'm going to be applying that over the same shade as Sandstone just to give it a little bit of a mustardy look. This is a very mustard yellow. Then I'm going in with the shade right here. This is a nice chocolatey brown. It's called Log. I'm going to be packing this color onto the outer portion and make it nice and smoky. And then with a clean brush, this is from Makeup Geek. This is called the Defined Crease Brush. I'm going to blend out any harsh lines. Next, I'm picking up this really nice greenish teal shade right here. It's called Python. And I'm going to pack this to the outer V, pressing and packing. And I'm picking this up on a flat brush like this. It's a Sonia Kashuk brush. This is called, doesn't have a name, but it's a number 106. And then also packing this to the inner corners as well. Next, I'm picking up that Makeup Geek brush again, and I'm picking up Log, that really deep, nice, rich brown color. And then I'm going to blend this out. Now for the fun part, I'm going to be going in with all the glitters in here, and I'm basically going to be using this entire all three colors right here. But I'm going to start off with this blue shade right here. This is called Aurora. I'm first packing this color onto the middle. And I'm not applying it all over. I'm not taking it to the very end. I'm just stopping right about there and pulling it down. The next color I'm going in with is called Lime Chrome right here, and it is like a lime green gold color. And I'm going to be applying this right on top. And this is a beautiful duochrome eyeshadow. You'll see. Wow. Isn't it so pretty? My eyes literally look like the Northern Lights right now. I don't own any of these colors in my collection. I went through my entire collection to justify buying this palette for the price point, and I'm glad I did. And finally, for the topper, I am going to go in with this shade right here. This is called Brass, I believe. Yes, it's called Brass. And I'm just going to show you how pigmented that is. Like, that is one swipe. See how pigmented that is? That's insane. And this is just going to the very center because I want this to give that glossy wet lid look. So next I'm actually going to go and dip back into Log, which is that really deep, rich, chocolatey brown shade, and I'm going to further deepen this area right here. I'm going to smoke this out, or blend it out. So this looks a little messy right now, but we're going to clean it up when we apply foundation, concealer, and all that. So it's okay to make a little bit of a mess. What I will say is there is practically no fallout with this eyeshadows, which is great. The next thing I'm going to move on to is actually deepen the outer corner here. So I'm picking up the shade Python again, and I'm going to work on deepening up the outer V. Alright guys, so I've already gone ahead and applied foundation. I applied the Becca Ultimate Coverage Complexion Cream. I'm in the shade Olive. This shade is a little light for me right now compared to my neck because I'm still transitioning. So in the dead of winter though, this matches me perfectly. I am going to move on to the eyes at this point and complete that, and then I'll complete the rest of the face. So I'm going to move on to my bottom lashes, and for that I'm using the Scandal Eyes eyeshadow stick from Rimmel. It's a nice turquoise blue. I'm picking up Python again here, that teal blue color, and I'm actually going to be applying that right on top of the liner. I'm going to mix Dijon and Sandstone right here. And I'm picking this up on that Makeup Geek brush that we have. I'm going to blend out my lash line. Next I'm picking up Eldorado again, and I'm going to be applying this to the waterline. I'm also going to be taking this to the inner part of the bottom lash line as well, and joining it with the teal. So I'm picking up Brass again here. Then I'm picking up Lime Chrome right here. I'm just going to be bringing it from the inner corner to the middle. Alright guys, I've gone ahead and added mascara to my top lashes, and I've added some falsies. These are the Slayla lashes from Flutter Lashes. And I'm now going to be concealing really quickly. I'm going to move past this step pretty quickly. I'm using the Sephora Bright Future Concealer. This is in the shade Tatin. I'm going to pick up my damp beauty blender and start blending. I am going to go in and set this immediately with my Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. For contouring, I'm going to be using the NYX Bright Idea Stick, Illuminating Stick. This is in the shade Topaz Tan. And with my Real Techniques contour brush, I'm just going to blend that in. For blush, I'm going to be using the Bright Idea Stick again, but this is in the shade Coralicious. For my highlighter, I am going in with this NARS highlighter. This is in the shade Fort de France. For setting spray, I'm using the NYX Dewy Finish Setting Spray. Just applying some mascara to my bottom lashes here. This is the Maybelline Big Shot Colossal Mascara. And then finally for lipstick, I am going in with the ColourPop Lippy Stick. This is in the shade I Like It. And I'm just going to lightly dab this on because I don't want too much color. And on top of this, I'm going to be applying the NYX Lip Oil just to give it more of a gloss. So yeah guys, this is the finished look. I hope this is the one that I'm going to upload, fingers crossed. I even put on a pair of earrings to make it look nice and pretty for you guys. I hope you appreciate it because I normally don't put earrings on. So yeah, I really like how this look turned out. I hope you enjoyed it. I totally think that this palette is worth the money, especially if you're into the golds and the greens. If this is your kind of jam, then totally pick it up. This is one palette that I will say from Natasha Denona that is not going back, and I really enjoyed using all the colors in here. They blend beautifully as well, so there's nothing wrong with the mattes or the shimmers or the metallics. Top quality, and it is $165 in Canada at Sephora, and I did pick it up at the VIB Rouge sale, so I kind of got a discount on it. But yes, it is a pricey, pretty pricey palette, but still totally worth the money in my opinion. But yeah, that's all I have for you guys today. If you guys are out and about enjoying New Year's and going out to party, then hopefully you try this look, and if you do, please do tag me. I do want to see all of the creations that if you guys recreate my looks. I do have my, sorry, I'm like losing my voice. I do have my social media links down below. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and yeah, I think that's about it. This is going to be the last video of 2018, and I've had such an amazing year. My YouTube channel has grown slowly but steadily, and I thank every single one of you guys for supporting me and always reaching out to me and watching my tutorials, of course. Have yourself a happy new year, be safe, and I will see you all in 2019. Bye!